Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're going over Intel Corporation stock, and looking at the news and its technicals. Recent news surrounding Intel has been mixed. The company's new AI products, the Xeon 6 CPU and the Gaudi 3 AI accelerator, have been met with some enthusiasm. But questions remain about their competitiveness in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Analysts have pointed out that Intel is still struggling to build up its chip fabrication business and has been losing billions in the process. Some reports suggest a potential split of Intel's chip design and fabrication units or a possible acquisition by Qualcomm. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that Intel has been on a downward trend for most of 2024, with a significant drop in August. The stock has found some support around the $19 level, but has yet to break through its resistance at the $22 level. The price action in September suggests a potential reversal, with the stock closing above its 20-day moving average. However, it's important to note that the volume has been relatively low during this period, which could indicate that the trend is not yet fully confirmed. If we look at the 1-hour chart, we can see that the price action has been more volatile in recent days. The stock has been consolidating around the $23 level, with several attempts to break above the resistance at $24. The volume has been picking up during these breakouts, which suggests that traders are starting to take notice. However, the stock has failed to sustain these gains, which could indicate that the buyers are not yet strong enough to push the price higher. It's important to note that the recent rally in Intel stock may be related to the company's new AI products, as well as the broader market rally. The semiconductor sector has been on a strong run in recent weeks, driven by the increasing demand for AI chips. Let's take a closer look at the 15-minute chart and focus on the range between September 23rd and September 26th. Here, we see a series of consolidation candles, with the price bouncing between $22 and $23. The volume has been moderate during this period, suggesting that traders are not yet fully committed to either direction. The price action on September 26th is particularly interesting, with the stock breaking above the $23.50 level and closing at $23.92. The volume was high on this breakout, suggesting that traders were expecting a move higher. However, the stock opened lower the following day, indicating that the buyers were not able to sustain the gains. Overall, the technical indicators for Intel are mixed. The daily chart suggests a potential reversal, but the lack of strong volume is a concern. The hourly chart shows a more volatile price action, with the stock struggling to break through resistance. The 15-minute chart suggests that traders are not yet fully committed to either direction. The breakout on September 26th was promising, but the stock opened lower the following day, indicating that the buyers were not able to sustain the gains. For the short term, the $23.50 level is a key price level to watch. If the stock can break above this level and sustain the gains, then it could move higher toward the $24 level. However, if the stock fails to break above $23.50, then it could fall back toward the $22 level. For the long term, the $22 level is a key resistance area to watch. If the stock can break above this level and sustain the gains, then it could move higher toward the $25 level. However, if the stock fails to break above $22, then it could fall back toward the $19 level. The next few days will be crucial for Intel stock. If the stock can break above $23.50, then it could move higher toward $24. However, if the stock fails to break above $23.50, then it could fall back toward $22. Keep an eye on the volume, as it will be a key indicator of the strength of the trend. It's important to note that these are just predictions, and there's no guarantee that they will come true. The stock market is constantly changing, and there are many factors that could affect Intel's price action. However, by understanding the technical indicators and the current news, traders can make more informed decisions about when and what price to trade.